You my brother, so I trust you 100%. And for you, I'm gonna ride to the fullest extent. For this music, swear to God, my love is intense.
What is good, everyone? I am Ben from Sneak Defender. Today is Trainer Tuesday. So every Tuesday we're going to be unboxing a pair of heat that we have got from the week. So anything that drops from the sneakers app, and if anything hasn't dropped or we haven't secured any W's, then we'll be going back and just looking at any old grails that we have got and unboxing them and showing you how to use them with our Sneak Defender products. So without further ado, let's get into Trainer Tuesday. So here we have the box, guys. I'm going to open it up. Please bear with me. I'm just trying to figure out how to, do these videos properly for you guys. It's quite difficult, obviously, because, I'm trying to unbox it myself without any help. So I'm going to try and do this the best way I can. So here we have, as it normally says, pull for sport. I've actually never even read that in my life. So we're going to put it. Hopefully it works. Boom. Let's go. Oh my god. Purple box. That's what I like to see. Oh, that came flying out. I like to see the purple box. I'm not going to lie. Purple box is always a good sign, because it means it's not a standard. Purple box is a good sign because it's not a standard shoe. So it says Nike SB Dunk Low Pro, court purple, black, white, 10.5. It's a UK 9.5. We have got a 10 as well, but I tried to get a 9.5 because I know it'd be easier to get a W on them because less people probably buy them. So we have the box now. I'm about to open it. I'm very nervous because I haven't even opened it yet. So let's take a look. Oh my, that wrapping paper is insane as well. I just want to point out that wrapping paper looks sick. Whoa! Holy! I hope you guys can see this. There you guys go. That is the court purple SB Dunk. That is a sick shoe. As you guys can see here, it says Dunk Low Purple. No, Pro, sorry. Dunk Low Pro. It's got zoom. It looks like it's got zoom technology, which is interesting. Never seen that on a shoe before. Well, an SB Dunk, I mean. So let's get into some sick cinematics of this shoe, and then we can end the video there.
My hoes in contour, my clothes are Tom Ford. My bros, they want war, it's a lot when I'm on tour. Yo, tell your guys, it's funny, I'm getting to the bag. Got these niggas mad, they just went and started telling lies. Tom Ford box is 7.5. Since I got racks, I must have heard every lie. There's a long list of rappers, I didn't get in line. I said I'm coming and you niggas better step aside. It's 45 for the kilo, ain't no bargaining me. Put Fred on your song and they'll be chanting quickly. Every week I put a model in the car to brick you. To true flavors, get my pepper steak fast and quickly. I need the lemonade. Oh, you ain't seen 100 racks? Well, I can demonstrate.
I'm going to show you how to use Crease Defender now. As you just seen from the cinematics, this shoe looks amazing. So we're going to get into how I used Crease Defender and because I don't think I've ever actually sat down and spoke to you guys about how to use Crease Defender. So this is our brand new packaging, as you can now see. So this is our brand new packaging. We now have a QR code here. You scan it, it takes you to the video of Soul Supplier about how to use it. And I think this bag looks so much better. Boxes will still be used for retail purposes. This is for online shopping. So if you're buying from our website, you will get this bag with the QR code on it. Just so much simpler and easy to use. Right, so now you have your Crease Defender. As you can see, it won't quite focus on that because of the bag, it just blurs it out a little bit. It comes in a nicely wrapped bag inside the packaging, and obviously you just copped your new grail, the court purples. So you're just gonna unfold it here, unfold it there, and you're literally getting the bag. You literally just peel it from the top. We all packaging these ourselves. This is my pair, so I know we do normally use gloves to package Crease Defender products. So you just literally take it out, put the bag away, and then now you've got your soft pliable shields. Each one has left and right on it, just so you know where to do it. And you can also, I haven't really seen many people talk about this, you can also trim it here. If you didn't know, you can trim your guard to suit you. This is a large because these are a 9.5, so you're going to need a large. This is how you officially use Crease Defender. Just going to put this out there. These are the softest pliable shields you can get on the market without them not being able to do their job. People say that, and I know that, that people say, oh, well, they're not comfortable. Well, I'm sorry, but if you're putting something in your shoe, of course you're going to feel it. So please just be open mindset when you're buying these. You will feel these in your shoe, but they do not hurt. I promise you, they do not hurt me, and I have them in my Air Forces right now while I've been doing this video. So please just get used to it. Give it maybe a week. If you still don't like them, send them back. We can give you a full refund. That is my best opinion to do so. Don't wear them once and go, well, I don't like them. Please just get used to them first, and then you will love them and you keep buying those. Trust me. That's how I felt with them. So you've got your new Grail. This is a left shoe, so we've got the left crease defender. As I don't know if you can kind of see it on the outline. It says left there. We will be making this black, so it's more obvious to see. But yeah, so you've got the tissue paper in there. So you literally just want to take tissue paper out. Oh god, I can't even get it out myself. Open up the ton, and then you literally just want to pinch this together at the top. Insert it into the shoe, and then just push up. No more creases, guys. Like, look, feel out. That is so much better. You're not going to get any more creases in your court purples if you did manage to cop these this week. Well, it's technically it was last week. They come this week. No more creases. This is an awesome product. Like, I actually genuinely think you guys need to go and get this. I will show you how to use the Dirt Defender at some point, but I mean, it's kind of more obvious. It's just a white. But I just thought a lot of myths around these crease defenders. Do they work? They don't work. Do they work? Yes, they do work. Get used to them, and that will be perfect for you. So yeah, guys, that is the unboxing of the court purples. So guys, that was the unboxing for these court purple SB Dunks Zoom. They've got the zoom there if you didn't know that. I didn't actually know that. But yes, we'll be doing one every Tuesday for these videos. Please don't forget to like and subscribe to our brand new YouTube channel, Sneak Defender UK. Also, this will be going on our Instagrams and all social medias as well, so please follow, leave a comment, let you know what you thought of the video, if we should carry on doing these videos. As I said, any companies want to sponsor these, happily do so, clothing companies, etc. This will be promoted and get quite a lot of views, so please bear that in mind. So yeah guys, hope you guys enjoyed this video. I will see you guys in the next Trainer Tuesday video. Peace.